afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here from Cut That Cable Bill. Once again, that's cutthatcablebill.com. And I know why you're here today. You're here for Scuba Steve's Super Stocking Stuffer Sale. That's right. What we want to do is get you the best IPTV service for Christmas 2019 and the beginning of the year 2020. You know, I talked to the average person. In fact, I was just talking to my parents who were paying over $120 a month for their cable bill. Ladies and gentlemen, that's basic cable. For the average person we speak to are using our services, which gives you the same HBO, the same Cinemax, the same Showtime, the same Stars, pay-per-view events, all of your local channels. And if you text 90210 to the number you see right here, we're going to give you a free movie app that has over 5,000 movies, even if you decide not to use our service. Woo! And ladies and gentlemen, let's go over those numbers again, specifically at Christmas time. If I could save you over $100 a month, over a year, you know how much money that is? That's over $1,000 coming right back into your pocket. Now, the main thing I want you to do is make sure you send that text 90210 to the number you see here, because guess what? A live person is going to get back with you, answer any questions you have, and walk you through the sign-up process. But the main thing we want to do right now is show you exactly what the service looks like. Once again, this is Steve Burnett. I truly hope you're enjoying your holidays, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.